Welcome to Choices with Jeanette. I'm Jeanette Harris, and thank you all so much for watching Choices with Jeanette. You know, you can go to my website, www.choiceswithjeanette.com, and all of our times and stations are on there. And I want to thank you for shopping at Fiesta Mart stores. I am joined by Monica Rollins, and I am so proud of you.
Thank you.
Yeah. You're an attorney.
Yes, ma'am, I am.
In family law.
Yes, that's my area.
Yeah. But you're doing the PR for your church.
Yes, I'm the Public Relations Director over at the Church of God of Prophecy, 4610 Sunflower in Houston, Texas. Sunnyside, Texas.
Okay. See, Sunnyside is a city within Houston, Texas. That's our own private joke. But really, they are. They have mayors and everything.
It's an awesome community. It is.
It really is. My son was reared out there, and he went to St. Agnes Christian Academy and finished from Carnegie Vanguard, which is number 13 in the country.
Wow.
Isn't that awesome?
That's a great accomplishment.
That's a great accomplishment. Go, go, go. But you all are doing some great things with your church. And
yes.
Something that is so absolutely needed in that community. I mean, this is so needed, and it's almost like it needs to be stationary. That's how needed it is.
Of course. We are opening up our doors. We've gone out before to nursing homes, homeless shelters, and now we're trying to open up our doors to the community a bit more. We've hosted before some festivals, but now we're asking that the Earl Carl Institute for Child Advocacy, which is the Thurgood Marshall School of Law legal clinic, we're asking that they come over and have a platform for us. And it's a platform that's going to provide a free legal service to the community. And in
free.
Yes, it's nothing better than free.
Free, okay. And free legal?
Free legal.
And especially in the areas, what areas are you all covering?
It will be property. And in that area, it will include if you've inherited or by some form received some property and there's a tax lien or some other encumbrance on it, they will assist you with taking that property and removing the encumbrance, or at least maybe working with the state to make it affordable for you to take that property, including partitioning. They also will assist with the property, some wills and estate transactions as well. They'll be doing the Innocence Claim.
Okay.
And the Innocence Claim project is a project that will be geared for those individuals who have been wrongfully convicted of a crime. And their assertion is the DA was not out to get me, my attorney was not ineffective, but rather my assertion is I am innocent.
Right.
For no other reason do I want some legal assistance now, but for
except I'm innocent.
Exactly. So it's the Innocence Claim project. And then the third project they're going to be focusing on that day will be the project for juvenile justice. And in our community in Sunnyside, we have quite a few single parents who may be facing this issue. So they'll touch on issues of truancy. They'll touch on issues of disciplinary actions in your school. Those disciplinary actions actually can follow you all the way to your adulthood, because based on what's on your school record, it could one day be a Class C misdemeanor. A lot of people just don't know that.
Wow.
So Earl Carl will come over and they'll handle all 3 programs free of charge and also provide the seminar. After the seminar, intake will be handled, meaning we'll take applications, and that day, if you're eligible, you'll leave with an attorney in an appointment.
Wow.
So it's an awesome program. The property is going to be income-based. So it's for those individuals who are low income. The Innocence Claim in the juvenile justice, there's no income criteria for that one, so it's going to serve all. So we're just looking for individuals to come out and benefit from this program.
So what you're saying is that it's not just for your church members, this is for anyone.
Oh, absolutely. It's for the community.
A few years ago, Precinct 7, which is that area, was running #1 in losing those homes out there.
Wow. Yeah. Yeah.
#1. And every time they decide they want to talk about a community, they start talking about that community, the Sunnyside area. We have a lot of churches in that area. We have a lot of community involvement. We have a lot of civic clubs in that area. But it's time for a change in that area.
It is. And this is a platform for Earl Carl to give back. It's a platform for the churches to give back. We're partnering with the churches in the immediate vicinity, and we just need to help each other. And I think this is an awesome time. And we thank you for allowing us to come on your show.
Please.
Everybody loves you, and we really thank you for allowing us to come and kind of give this show, this platform some exposure.
Where will it be held?
It's going to be held at the church.
Okay.
4610 Sunflower, again, Houston, Texas, 77051. It's in the Sunnyside area, right off of Sunflower.
Name those 3 areas. That's property?
It's going to be property. It's going to be innocence claim, and it will be juvenile justice. If you make it out that day, we'll do intake. There will be an application processing going on, and they'll let you know that day if you're eligible, and you can leave with an appointment. If you can't make it that day, please try to get with the Earl Carl Trial of Advocacy staff attorneys at 713-313-1139, and they can help you set up an appointment directly at their center.
Wow. Your church is blessed to have you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, really. You're I'm telling your pastor, you're blessed to have her. Someone who can actually get into the media and get these words out. That is absolutely awesome. The date? The date is going to be June 18th, 2011. So it's not that far away, and it's going to begin at 10 a.m. And you may watch my show all the time, and you may say, you know, that doesn't fit me. I'm not having property problems. I don't have any truancy. I don't have any trouble with my teenagers. I don't know anyone who was convicted and they still believe they're innocent. Isn't that wonderful? Now, what we need you to do is share the information.
Exactly. Exactly.
Help someone else. It's not me, my four, and no more. Help someone else by just sharing this information.
Exactly. We want to work together.
Thank you, Monica.
Thank you again for having me.